Siyempre, meron tayong kailangan i-release, guys. Mid-month. Scorpio, pinapaalalahanan kayo ng barahan na magandang pagkakataon ito to release, let go. Release of anything or anyone that no longer serves you. Yung ilang nagpapahirap sa'yo, ito yun, the Nine of Fire. Pangitin niyo yung power, guys. Meron kayong lakas to decide. Meron kayong kakayanan na tumayo sa inyong mga sariling mga paa. Meron lang kasi ako nakikita dito na for some of you, tayo po ay general reading, pagdepende sa enerhiya ng iba. So, for some of you, maybe this is a sign, alam ko, madaling sabihin lang ito for some of you, pero magandang pagkakataon ito to reflect, do some reflection, review your connections. Magandang pagkakataon mid-December to forgive, forgiveness, acceptance, healing, yung aking nakikita. Alam ko may hugot